Hello students, our next topic in solution of triangles. It's the case 2, given two sides and included angle. There is two sides given and included angle is also given. Then find the third side and two angles. Here we use cosine rule first. Here is the first problem. Solve triangle ABC. Given two sides B and C, B 5 cm and C 8 cm, and given the included angle. Included angle between the sides B and C is angle A, that we know. Here A is given, A is equal to 30 degree. Then find capital B and capital C and side small a. We know that a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a from sine rule. A squared is equal to, we have to find the side A. Therefore, formula, we apply the formula A squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. Then substitute b squared is 5 squared plus c squared is 8 squared minus 2 into bc, 5 into 8 into cos 30 is equal to 25 plus 64 minus 2 into 40 into root 3 by 2. 2 got cancel. 25 plus 64 89 minus 40 into 1.73. Minus 69.2 is equal to 19.8. Now a squared is equal to 19.8. Taking square root, a is equal to root of 19.8. Square root of 19.8 is 4.449, that is 4.45. Is equal to 4.45. This is the third side A. Next we have to find angle B and angle C. We know that cos B is equal to a squared plus c squared minus b squared by 2ac. Using that formula we can find angle B. This is cos B. Formula for cos B is a squared plus c squared minus b squared by 2ac. A squared is equal to 4.45 square plus c squared. C is 8. 8 squared is 64 minus b squared. 5 squared 25. 2ac, 2 into 4.45 into 8. Then simplify. Here cos B is equal to a squared plus c squared minus b squared divided by 2ac. Substitute A, B and C. We get 4.45 squared plus 8 squared minus 5 squared divided by 2 into 4.45 into 8. The numerator 4.45 squared is 19.80 plus 8 squared is 64 minus 5 squared is 25 divided by 2 into 4.45 into 8 is 71.2 is equal to numerator after simplification it become 58.8, then divided by denominator 71.2, which is equal to the answer is 0.8258. Then cos B is equal to 0.8258. Therefore, B is cos inverse 0.8258. To find the value of B using calculator. First press shift, then press cos, then left parenthesis, then 0.8258, right parenthesis is equal to 34.33 degree, convert it into degree and minute, we get 34 degree 19 minute, 34 degree 19 minute. This is angle B. Here A is given quantity 30 degree and we find B 34 degree 19 minute, and we also find small a. The only thing left is we have to find angle C. Therefore, angle C can be obtained from obtained by subtracting A plus B from 180 degree. 180 minus A plus B is equal to angle C. Therefore, first find A plus B. A plus B is equal to 30 plus 34, 64 degree 19 minute. Angle C is equal to 180 minus A plus B. 180 minus A plus B. 180 is same as 170 degree 60 minutes minus 64 degree 19 minutes. 105 degree 41 minute angle C. Sorry, 179 degree 60 minute minus 64 degree 19 minutes, 115 degree 41 minute. Degree 115 degree 41 minutes. Next problem, solve triangle ABC. Given A is equal to 87 centimeter, B is equal to 53 centimeter and angle C is equal to 70 degree. Here C is the included angle between the sides A and B. We have to find the side small c and angles capital A and capital B. First use cosine rule to find the third side C. C squared is equal to A squared is equal to 87 squared, B squared is equal to 53 squared minus 2 into 87 into 53 into cos 70. Here 87 square is 7569, then plus 53 squared is 2809 minus 2 into 87 into 53 is 9222 into cos 70. Cos 70 is 0.342. You can find cos 70 using calculator. First press cos, no shift. Here directly press cos. cos, then bracket, then 70, then bracket is equal to 0.3420. Okay. Here 7569 plus 2809 is 10,378 minus 9222 into 0.342 is 3154. Then c squared is equal to 10,378 minus 3154 is equal to 7224. Then square root of 7224 is 84.99, which is approximately equal to 85 centimeter. Therefore, c is equal to 85 centimeter. Therefore, we get all the three sides A, B and C. Next, find angle A or angle B. Here cos A is equal to, formula for cos A is B squared plus C squared minus A squared by 2BC. Here B is 53, therefore 53 squared plus C is 85, therefore 85 squared minus A is 87, 87 squared divided by 2 into B, 53 into C, 85. 53 squared is 2809 plus 85 squared is 7225 minus 87 squared is 7569 divided by 2 into 53 into 85 is 9010. Then the numerator after simplification become 2465 divided by 9010. Then after the division we get cos A is equal to 0.2736. Therefore A is equal to cos inverse 0.2736. We can find A using calculator. We have to find the cos inverse. Therefore press shift, press cos, press left parenthesis, then 0.2736, then right parenthesis, then is equal to, then this symbol, 74 degree 7 minutes. Here angle A is equal to 74 degree 7 minute and angle C is equal to 70 degree. Adding A and C we get A plus C is equal to 144 degree 7 minute. A plus C. Then angle B is 180 minus A plus C. 180 minus 144 degree 7 minutes. 180 is same as 179 degree 60 minutes. Minus 144 degree 7 minutes. This 53 minutes. This 35 degree 53 minutes. Therefore angle B is equal to 35 degree 53 minutes. This is the complete solution. A, B and C. We find A, B and C. Next problem, homework. Solve triangle ABC given that side B is equal to root 3 and side C is equal to 1 and the include angle capital A is equal to 30 degree.